In this video, we're covering sugar tuck and underarm pass. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. So leaders, we're going to step straight back in this move. Left foot goes to 6 o'clock. We favor a small side step to get off the follower's visual line. We triple and recover our position, and then anchor step at the end. Goes 1, 2, I need to bring the hand up to a palm-to-palm position. 3, we triple. 4, I extend the arm, and then anchor step. You'll notice we have an upside-down hand hold. In the underarm pass, that will be corrected. So I'll step off to 7 o'clock with the left foot, collect my feet, flip that hand over. The followers assist us in getting back onto the original line, and we triple step in the anchor position at the end.
Followers, so we're going to show you the sugar tuck footwork to start with. So I've got my 2 traveling steps walking down towards my leader. On count 3, I've still got to take the 3rd step, but we're going to half the size of the step, taking it forward. 3, and I turn a half a turn on count 4, and then I come back to my leader for 5 and 6. The underarm pass, same thing again. I travel 2 steps down the slot. 1, 2. I travel through my triple step, 3, and turn back round to my leader on 4, and then we have our 5 and 6 in place for the anchor step. So we have sugar tuck 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, the underarm pass, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6.